Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Smart Products. Today I am going to show top 5 best mini PC in 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5. Beelink SER3 Mini PC, light bulb tower performance and powerful processor, powered with AMD Ryzen 5500U, 6-core/12 threads, 2.3 GHz up to 4.0 GHz, which can turn your desk into a powerful workstation just by adding a keyboard, mouse. Pre-installed with W11 without any bloatware. The Beelink SER5 Mini PC can be used for video and photo editing, office tasks, Adobe application, 4K video playback, gaming, and virtualization work. Light bulb compact and rich interface, easy to set up and small in size. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, plus Bluetooth 5.2 is faster and more stable. Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 1000M network connectivity. Beelink SER5 mini computer is equipped with 1x Type-C, 2x HDMI, 2x USB 3.0, 2x USB. Number 4. GEEKOM Mini IT8, ultra-high efficiency and powerful and efficient. The GEEKOM Mini IT8 mini PC comes with an 8th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, which is 30% faster than a typical N5095. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and supports Linux operating system. Lightweight and compact design. This compact portable mini PC measures only 117 by 112 by 45.6 millimeters. Thanks to its space-saving design, the GEEKOM Mini PC is ideal for diverse usage scenarios such as entertainment, office, online education, industry, etc. Powerful capacity and flexible storage expansion. With 16 GB dual-channel DDR4 memory, it supports expansion to 32 GB. You can expand the storage with M.2 SATA SSD/NVMe SSD interface, not included, to 1 TB. Or upgrade your storage to 2 TB via a 2.5-inch SATA HDD, not included. Support 4x 4K at 60 Hz displays and multi-port. GEEKOM Mini IT8 Mini PC desktop features HDMI 2.0 port, mini display port, and USB-C output, supporting 4K Ultra High Definition 4096 by 2304 displays and bringing a striking visual. Save your time and double your work efficiency. Faster heat dissipation and Bluetooth support. The built-in fantastic cooling fan helps cool down the mini computer's hardware, delivering faster response speed. Number 3. Beelink GTR, powerful processor and dual fan cooling, AMD quad-core, Ryzen 5-3550H, 2.10 GHz, up to 3.70 GHz, 57W high-performance version, a fast, smooth and power-saving mini PC. It can satisfy your diverse scenarios use such as entertainment, games, office, etc. 3 copper tubes and 2 fans design, with strong heat dissipation capacity, almost no noise. Quadruple display and Radeon Vega 8 graphics. The mini desktop computer GTR supports 4K HD, 3840 by 2160, ultra high definition content. You can enjoy 4K web surfing, video playback, watching TV, home theater, and enjoy the entertainment with your family. Dual HDMI ports and DP and Type-C interface. Easily connecting for monitors, reduce waiting time, efficiency, doubled work. Powerful storage, 8 GB DDR4-2400 MHz, memory, 1 by 8 GB, 2 accessible memory slots, upgradable to 64 GB, 2 by 32 GB, 256 GB solid-state drive, 2 accessible M.2 slots, 1 available, and 1 TB hard disk drive. It could deal with. Number 2, Minisforum EliteMini HX90 Powerful Performance. The Minisforum HX80G Mini PC is an upgraded version of 580 Mauritanian Ugia's Mini PC, which is a small form factor desktop tower computer with an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H 8C/16T up to 4.4 GHz processor. The faster performance can handle. Number 1, Lenovo ThinkCentre M75N11BS000MUS desktop computer. The Lenovo ThinkCentre M75N11BS000MUS is a compact desktop computer designed for business and professional use. Here are some of its key specifications and features. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 3500U processor, 2.10 GHz, up to 3.70 GHz max boost, for cores, 8 threads, 4 MB cache, operating system, Windows 10 Pro, 64-bit memory, 8 GB DDR4 2666 MHz, 1 SODIMM slot, expandable up to 16 GB, storage, 256 GB solid state drive, SSD, graphics, integrated.